Namaste, this is Sapna Pradarshi, your wellness coach, guide and friend. Do you often get angry? You get agitated unnecessarily. Your personal and professional life is getting spoiled because of your anger. Do you want to control your anger? Do you want your relations to get better? Do you want your life to be happy all the time? If yes, come with me. I'll tell you how to control your anger instantly. At the end, I will also tell you some acupressure points by using which you can actually control your anger instantly. Remember, the moment we get angry, our brain cells start getting damaged. And once they get damaged, there is no cure to it. Our brain will get weaker and weaker. This leads to tension, depression, stress all the time, and because of this, the hypertension level goes very high, leading to the brain stroke. We can see these days a lot of people are dying due to this brain stroke. So we need to really address this issue. Before I tell you the methods how to control your anger instantly, I would like to talk a little more about the wavelengths. See, our brain operates at different wavelengths depending on our mood, how happy or how stressed we are. You must have heard beta, alpha, theta, delta, their frequency level is in the cycle per seconds. The lesser the frequency is, the better for our health. Normally, whole day when we work, in a normal daily routine, our frequency level lies between 14 to 40. And the more stressed we are, the more bad mood we are in. If you are frequently getting angry, our wavelength that goes higher, that normally goes even beyond 38, 40. And the moment that happens, please understand, brain stroke ought to happen. Therefore, it is important for us to control our wavelengths, keep them at a lesser level, and control our anger timely. So let us see how can you control your anger instantly. See, all these methods, tips that I'm going to share with you are tried and tested. So please get benefited by them. Let us start. The moment you get angry, what you should do is please stop talking. Because when you are in an anger mood, you talk all bitter, talk all rubbish, you raise your volume, you spoil your relations, right? So what you should do is stop talking, leave that place immediately, go to some other room and have a glass of water instantly wherever you are. Whether it is office or home, whatever, you should immediately take a glass of water and take a small piece of jaggery if it is available at your home. After that, sit down calmly, close your eyes and start taking deep breaths in and out by holding this middle finger of yours like this. With your right hand, hold it like this and put a gentle pressure. Take deep breaths for about 1 minute. After that, switch to another finger, that is your ring finger, hold in the similar manner and start taking deep breaths. But remember, when you're doing that, your brain, your thought, your mind is still thinking about that incident which triggered your anger. So you should please divert your mind by thinking about your favorite food, about your favorite fruit, maybe ice cream, maybe cake. Imagine that is there in front of you and keep taking long, deep breaths. Do this 20 to 30 times for about a minute. Once it is done, what you do is, if possible, please go and take a shower. After taking shower, come outside, play some soft music. If possible, play some mantra music. Maybe Om chanting, right? Or Gayatri mantra. I strongly recommend Gayatri mantra. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tatsa Vitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. So please play this and chant along with it. At the same time, if you have pure rose oil with you, please apply that on your dress or you can apply behind your ear. That will help you to calm instantly and just sit down calmly. Alright? Keep listening to the music. By now, you are already out of your anger mood. But if you are in your office, certainly you cannot take shower and all. And in fact, if you are in the middle of a meeting, you can't even do all those exercises that I told you. So what you should do is, immediately please have a glass of water and start counting in reverse order in your mind. Say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, like this. You can choose any number from 30, 20, whatever, and start counting like this. That will also help you. If possible, you can just hold your finger, that can be done. That will also help you to control, right? So these kind of exercises you can do in your office. Okay. In addition to this, what you should do is, please rub your palms like this. This will help you to control and balance your Panchabhutas, leading to control your anger. Other than this, also do like this, make a fist of your hands and just hit like this. Do it for 5 to 10 times. This will also help you to control your anger. Then relax your body and do some neck exercises like this. Simply move to the left side, then to the right side, then left. Do this 5 times. After this, up and down. Please do this 5 times. And then make circular clockwise direction like this. Do it 5 times. And then anti-clockwise. Do it 5 times. So this will pull your nerves connected to your brain. This will also help you. Well, as I told you that I'll tell you some acupressure points to control your anger and also some exercises. So let us see. One, already I told you about that finger, that holding the finger and taking deep breaths, right? Along with it, what you should do is take these 2 fingers and behind the ear, here at the top part of your ear, put your 2 fingers, both the sides, hold with your thumb like this and pull them down like this. Pull them down in such a way that now you cannot even hear anything. Do this, then again release, then do this, press, again release. So do this for about 5 to 10 times. Okay. Another thing, hold your earlobes. Okay, hold your earlobes and pull them, putting a pressure. You should press this earlobe and pull it like this. Pull it. Do this for about 10 to 30 seconds. This will also help you to control your anger instantly. Other than this, what you should do is use 2 toes of your finger. Look at this. I'm talking about these 2 fingers. A finger, the toe next to your thumb, and even after that, these 2 toes is what I'm talking about. Pull it. The nail part, hold with this back side like this, and thumb should be on the nail, and pull it. Pull it like this 10 to 20 times. Like this. Pull it. And same thing, after doing 10 to 20 times, you should do with the another toe. Like this. Pull it so that you feel the pain a little. Do it 10 to 20 times. In fact, this kriya you can do even any time, anywhere that you feel like. This will help you to control your anger for the longer run also. This will also help you to control your hypertension, your stress, your depression, right? So keep doing this exercise also regular. Well, apart from this, I would like to suggest 3 important pranayamas which will help you to control your anger, right? One is Anulom Vilom. You must do 5 to 10 times Anulom Vilom pranayama, that is alternate nostril breathing exercise. Then you should do Bhramari pranayama 5 to 10 times. And thirdly, you should do Udgit pranayama 5 to 10 times. This will help you magically. Other than this, please do meditation every night before you sleep for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can use my NHM series which has guided meditation. You can take Nidra Kriya. I strongly recommend that. Just play guided meditation and listen to it. That will calm your brain. That will help you to get rid of your anger. So you must do this every day. Other than that, before you sleep, before you start your meditation, please do your introspection. The exercise of introspection. That must be done every day. Now what is introspection? Talk to yourself. What all I did whole day? Why did I get angry? What was the reason? With whom I got angry? Was he the culprit or I was the culprit? So you should do this introspection every day and decide on your own. You are the best judge. So when you do this every day, slowly this exercise will help you to control your anger. This is the best part to manage your anger. Other than that, I will tell you one magical trick. Trust me, this is tried and tested. I normally do that. What you should do is, with whomever you get angry, whoever it is, maybe your enemies, whatever, you must bless them every day. You must be thinking, blessing my enemies? Why should I bless? So this is what the law of attraction is. What goes comes back to you. So you must bless them every day by taking a name, close your eyes, connect yourself to the divinity and say, God bless, God bless, God bless. You must bless them every day. Trust me, by doing this exercise only for 21 days, you will see that your relationship with that particular person has changed drastically. You are very happy. She or he is also very happy with you. And obviously, the reason for anger is gone. Right? Your life will be very good. Your relations will be very good. Your professional and personal, both the lives will be balanced. And you will lead a very healthy and happy life. Right? So please follow all these tips. Well, today I have shared how to control your anger instantly, but how to control your anger in a long term. What is a long term solution? In my next video, I will talk about it. I'll give you very good exercises, asanas, mudras and some diet pattern also, which will help you to get rid of this anger completely. Please share this video with your friends, colleagues, relatives so that they can also control their anger and lead a very happy and healthy life. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you get all my videos immediately. Namaste and be blessed by the divine power.